The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
I can't. I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
Come now, Higgins. It must be 3 o'clock in the morning. Do be reasonable, man.
I am always reasonable. Eliza, if I can go on with a blistering headache, you can.
I have a headache too.
Here. Eliza, I know you're tired. I know your head aches. I know your nerves are as raw as meat in the butcher's window. But think what it is you're trying to accomplish here. Think what you're dealing with. The majesty and grandeur of the English language. It's the greatest possession we have. The noblest sentiments that have ever flowed in the hearts of men are captured in these extraordinary and imaginative and musical mixtures of songs. This is what you have set yourself to conquer, Eliza. And to conquer it, you will. Now try it again.
Rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
What was that?
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
Again.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
I think she's got it. I think she's got it.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
Ah, by George, she's got it. By George, she's got it. Now once again, where does it rain?
On the plain, on the plain.
And where's that soggy plain?
In Spain, in Spain.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Bravo, Eliza! The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. In Hartford, Hereford, and Hampshire,
Hurricanes hardly happen. How kind of you to let me come.
now once again, where does it rain?
On the plain, on the plain.
And where's that blasted plain?
In Spain, in Spain.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Arriba, arriba. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Pickering, we're making fine progress. I think the time has come to try her out.
Mr. Higgins, are you feeling all right, sir?
Quite well, thank you, Mrs. Pearce, and you?
Oh, very well, sir. Thank you.
Splendid. Let's test her in public and see how she fares.
Mr. Higgins, I was awakened by a dreadful pounding. Do you know what it might have been?
Pounding? I heard no pounding. Did you, Pickering?
Oh, no.
Mrs. Pearce, if this persists, I should see a doctor if I were you. I know. Let's take her to the races.
The races?
Yes, my mother's box at Ascot.
Oh, you'll consult with her mother first.
Of course. No! Let's surprise her. Let's go to bed. First thing in the morning, we'll get up, we'll pop off, and we'll go and buy her a gown. Go on with your work, Eliza.
But Mr. Higgins, it's early in the morning.
What better time to work than early in the morning? Where does one go for a lady's gown?
Whiteley's, of course.
How do you know that?
Oh, common knowledge.
Is it? Well, we shouldn't get her anything too flowery. I despise a gown with a sort of a weed here and a weed there. I mean something simple and modest and elegant is what's called for. With a sash, just like that. Quite.
You have all been working much too hard. I think the strain is beginning to show. I don't care what Mr. Higgins said, Eliza. You must put down your book and go to bed.